Hello friends, in previous class we learned the world of plants and today we will learn the world of animals. Okay friends, so let's see. We see animals all around us. Is not it guys? Yes, very good. Some animals are big, such as elephant, giraffe, whale, etc. And blue whale is the largest animal on earth. Okay? Some animals are small, such as rabbit, mouse, cat, etc. Some animals live on land, such as bear, dog, camel. Some animals live in water, such as fish, octopus, whale. Some animals live on land as well as in water, such as crocodile, tortoise, frog. Some animals live on tree, such as monkey, owl, woodpecker. Domestic animals. Some animals help us in many ways. We keep them on a farm or in our homes. They are called domestic animals, such as cow, dog, goat, hen, buffalo, duck, sheep, goose. We keep some animals as pets in our home, such as fish, parrot, cat, rabbit, dog. Wild animals. Some animals live in forest. They are called wild animals, such as elephant, lion, tiger, deer, zebra. Some animals do not have homes. They are stray animals, such as jackal, peacock. Birds. Animals that have wings and feathers are called birds. Most birds can fly. Birds eat with their beaks. They do not have teeth. They have two legs, such as crow, parrot, pigeon, sparrow. Insects. Insects are very small animals with 6 legs. Insect with wings can fly, such as mosquito, butterfly, housefly, ant, and cockroach, etc.